Crash course on Give me a crash course on fascism. How was Benito Mussolini in Italy up and down during WW2? Fascism is a political ideology that originated in Italy during the early 20th century. It is characterized by extreme nationalism, authoritarianism, and a strong emphasis on the collective identity of the nation. Fascism has been associated with dictatorships, suppression of political opposition, and aggressive military expansionism. Benito Mussolini was the founder and leader of the fascist movement in Italy, and his regime had a profound impact on the country during World War II. Mussolini rose to power in Italy in the 1920s, and he quickly established a dictatorship. He suppressed opposition parties, censored the press, and created a cult of personality around himself. Mussolini believed in the superiority of the Italian people and wanted to restore Italy's glory as a great power. He pursued an aggressive foreign policy, including the invasion of Ethiopia in 1935 and the intervention in the Spanish Civil War. Mussolini's alliance with Nazi Germany led Italy to enter World War II on the side of the Axis powers. Initially, Italy's military performed poorly, and Mussolini's popularity declined. In 1943, Italy's former ally, the United States, invaded Sicily, and Mussolini was forced to resign. However, Mussolini was rescued by the Germans, and he established a puppet regime in northern Italy. Mussolini's regime was short-lived, and he was captured and executed by Italian partisans in 1945. Fascism has had a significant impact on world history, and many countries have had fascist regimes at some point. Here are 12 regions that had fascist governments, with their leaders. 1. Italy, Benito Mussolini. Mussolini was the founder of the fascist movement in Italy and served as the country's leader from 1922 to 1943. During his regime, he established a dictatorship, suppressed political opposition, and pursued an aggressive foreign policy, including the invasion of Ethiopia and Italy's entry into World War II on the side of the Axis powers. Mussolini's regime ended when he was captured and executed by Italian partisans in 1945. 2. Germany, Adolf Hitler. Hitler rose to power in Germany in 1933 and established the Nazi regime. He suppressed political opposition, censored the press, and implemented a policy of genocide against Jewish people, Romani people, and others during the Holocaust. Hitler's regime also pursued an aggressive foreign policy, leading to World War II and the deaths of millions of people. Hitler died by suicide in 1945 as Allied forces closed in on Berlin. 3. Spain, Francisco Franco. Franco was a military leader who rose to power in Spain during the Spanish Civil War, which began in 1936. Franco's forces were supported by Fascist Italy and Nazi Germany, and his regime was characterized by authoritarianism, censorship, and political repression. Franco ruled Spain until his death in 1975. 4. Portugal, Antonio de Oliveira Salazar. Salazar served as the Prime Minister of Portugal from 1932 to 1968. He established an authoritarian regime that suppressed political opposition, censored the press, and maintained close ties with Fascist Italy and Nazi Germany during World War II. 5. Hungary, Ferenc Szalasi. Szalasi was the leader of Hungary's Arrow Cross Party, a fascist organization that rose to power during World War II. Szalasi's regime was characterized by anti-Semitic policies and a brutal crackdown on political opposition. He fled Hungary when Soviet forces liberated the country in 1945 but was later captured and executed. 6. Romania, Ion Antonescu. Antonescu was a military leader who served as the Prime Minister and dictator of Romania during World War II. He supported Nazi Germany and participated in the Holocaust, ordering the deportation and murder of hundreds of thousands of Jewish people in Romania and its occupied territories. Antonescu was overthrown in a coup in 1944 and executed after the war. 7. Croatia, Ante Pavelic. Pavelic was the leader of the Ustaše movement, a fascist organization that rose to power in Croatia during World War II. Pavelic's regime was characterized by genocide against Serbs, Jews, and Roma, as well as political repression and censorship. Pavelic fled Croatia after the war and lived in exile until his death in 1959. 8. Slovakia, Joseph Tiso. Tiso was a Catholic priest who served as the president of Slovakia during World War II. He supported Nazi Germany and participated in the deportation and murder of Slovak Jews. After the war, Tiso was convicted of war crimes and executed in 1947. 9. Bulgaria, Tsar Boris III. Boris III was the king of Bulgaria during World War II. He initially tried to maintain neutrality, but Bulgaria ultimately joined the Axis powers in 1941. Boris III died under mysterious circumstances in 1943, and some historians believe that he was murdered by the Nazis or Soviet agents. 10. Argentina, Juan Perón. Perón served as the president of Argentina from 1946 to 1955 and again from 1973 to 1974. His regime was characterized by populist policies, censorship of the press, and persecution of political opposition. Although he did not identify as a fascist, his regime had some similarities to fascist. 11. Brazil, Getúlio Vargas. Vargas was a Brazilian politician who served as the country's president from 1930 to 1945 and again from 1951 to 1954. He established an authoritarian regime known as the Estado Novo, which was modeled after European fascist states. Vargas suppressed political opposition, censored the press, and implemented labor reforms that favored the working class. 12. Mexico, Plutarco Elias Calles. Calles was a Mexican politician who served as the country's president from 1924 to 1928. He was a leading figure in the Cristero War, a conflict between the Mexican government and Catholic rebels who opposed secularization and anti-clerical policies. Although he did not identify as a fascist, Calles' policies were authoritarian and marked by political repression and censorship. His regime has been described as a precursor to the fascist movements that emerged in Europe in the 1930s. For a latest example, China government under the one-party ruled Chinese Communist Party, CCP, exhibits some features of fascism, such as authoritarianism, nationalism, and state control of the economy, and CCP head, Xi Jinping pushes to expand the world economically and militarily through his One Belt and One Road initiative, BRI. However, it also has many significant differences from traditional fascist regimes. It's important to note that fascism is a complex and controversial topic, and there is no consensus on how to define it. Some historians argue that it is best understood as a specific political ideology that emerged in Europe in the 1920s and 1930s, while others see it as a broader phenomenon that encompasses a wide range of authoritarian and nationalist movements around the world. Regardless of how one defines it, fascism has had a significant impact on world history and continues to be a subject of debate and analysis. In conclusion, fascism is a political ideology that emphasizes extreme nationalism and authoritarianism. Benito Mussolini was the founder of the fascist movement in Italy, and his regime had a significant impact on the country during World War II. Fascism has had a profound impact on world history, and many countries have had fascist regimes at some point. While fascism is often associated with suppression of political opposition and aggressive foreign policies, it continues to have supporters in some parts of the world. Fascism, a force so extreme. Nationalism its guiding theme. Mussolini, its founder and leader. To Italy's glory, a great believer. Censorship, suppression, and cults of personality. Fascist regimes ruled with great severity. Hitler, Franco, and Salazar. Their legacies, still felt from afar. Authoritarianism, the common thread. Aggressive foreign policies, a great dread. From Europe to South America. Fascism's impact, felt like a thunder. In the end, fascism's legacy remains. A controversial topic, with many refrains. From atrocities to human rights abuses. Fascism's impact, a lasting bruise. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.